Hey, what's up, guys? So we got another freaking Beamer here. So this one's a 06 325 XI E91, and replacing the damn starter. I got got started on it. Got the air filter, throttle body off, and the upper shit there. Now I just gotta work on the pain in the ass back holes here. I got the bolts out except for the last one for the intake. Then we're off to the starter. But yeah, it's pretty easy. I got the power steering fluid in the bracket. Got that all off. Got, like I said, the air filter. So it's opened up right here. Then I want to get that hose off the back. It's a fucking pain in the ass. But this is what I use. I've done this many times. Been to make a little hooker. Hooker. And I had another tool somewhere. I don't know. Where did it go? So what I do is grab this little hooker and come in from this way. At least mine is like that, where the clamp is located. But I come in from underneath and slide her underneath that little push thingy, push tab. Get her just right, you know. Get her feeling right. Then, oh shit. Push up on it, push down on the top here. Oh shit. There she is, boys. Not broken. Huh. That's a good day right there. Son bitch. All right, let's get the last intake 7/16. I should just take my damn extension off. So I fight my bitch. All right. Yeah, replacing the starters on these things suck. Once you do it a couple of times, it goes pretty quick. Like, I'm probably 10 minutes into this. Counting that half my shit don't have bolts in it, so it makes it a little easier. And gotta love working outside in Minnesota. Actually, today is nice. Sing the teeners. All right. Oh, this thing sits so damn low. Fucking back hurts. All right, there's the last guy. So I got these unhooked. Oh, another pain in the ass is the little wires that, oh, I got another, that you gotta unclip underneath the intake. Can be a bitch too. God, I hate those little clips. Alright, let's take her home. Get rid of that shit. Oh shit. Gotta dig out the sensor here. I want to rip that guy off. There we go. Okay. Now we got one here. Oh, I got a little pick. Yes. Am I even fucking on the right side or what? Jesus Christ. Fucking monkey fucking up. Jeepers. Jeepers. There we go. Get that one on. Fuck, finally. Now, we got some back here. I'm just gonna take the whole damn intake off. Makes it a lot easier to get to the starter and don't have to fucking dick around. Yeah, get these couple unhooked back here. I just can't see the sons of bitches. She's a tidy. She's a tidy. That's for sure. Where is she? Just come here, bud. Just come here. I love working in these tight environments. I can't get my hand back there. Jeepers Christ. What do you want from me? What's going on? Fucking intake. Come on. There we go. Maybe I need it from there. Need some nails so I can pick at that fucking clip. Come on, you dirty sandwich. Man. These little couple of wires are almost worse than that back tube. Can't get in there. If there's a trick to this shit, comment down below and let me know. Holy balls. Just come in. Just go. Get that around that sensor. There we go. There. Now we can play, buddy. Now we can play. Maybe. Fingers in there. coming from this side, maybe. That make my life fucking easier. Sorry, you might get out of, I don't know if you can see either way, but I'll look in a second. There we go. Easy access. Right there, boy. Easy access. Monkey fucking a football. My God. Things don't gotta be this difficult, do they? I don't think so. Oh, I just pushed it right back in, you motherfucker. What the fuck? This is crazy. This is absolutely fucking crazy. There's 3 of them. I don't know if you need all 3 of them, but I think that's what I do. Got it. I don't think I need that last one. No. I'm going to take that power wire out to start it. Make it a little easier, I believe. I think that is a 13 mil. Yeah, I think it's 13. Boy, you're struggling today. Oh, remember to unhook your battery. You don't want to weld your ratchet to the fucking blocker. Then would be 2 to stop the There's gotta be another. Oh, come on. Those jeepers, man. Oh, it's that fucking turtle. Now what do you want? how about that guy? Another stupid pinch clip. Hosey. Where are we at? There it is. Gotta use the hand here. There we go. God dang. Fuck. Throw this thing in the woods. Throw it in the woods. We don't need it. Alright. We're here, boys. We're to the starter. Look at that mess. Yep. You know, you gotta love those Beamers. They say, hey, yeah, go out and buy yourself a Beamer. You have a great time, they say. Great time. Yeah, this is my great time. And there's my other Beamer over there on fucking jack stand somewhere. Great time. Yeah. Good stuff. Yeah, good stuff. All right, let's get that damn starter out, eh? We need oh yeah, this damn reverse bolt on damn German engineers there. I need I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab another. So what I used to get that back bolt out is good old 11mm Mac ratchet with a little bendy. I stick that sucker in the, what's there? On the back. I'll see if you guys can get in there. A little bit better. Maybe. Probably not. Stick around there. Back side just like you. And I got another wrench so I can get some leverage. Of course, who's on there good, because you don't want this cocksucker stripping out, that's for sure. And you want to replace these every time. These bolts, but I don't. Yeah, I love it. I use them a couple times. There we go. She's broke loose. Get rid of that guy. And now you got a ratchet. You shimmy her. Get back there. And use your good old fingers. Get this son of a bitch out. Yeah, this car's been a pain in the ass for me. I only got 75 bucks into it though, so you can't really bitch. Oh, a case of beer and 75 bucks. But I don't know. When I got it, it wasn't running, and come to find out it was the starter, right? So I went and ordered a new starter. Did all this shit for my first time. Had a great time, and put the starter in, put everything back together. Turned the car over, fires right up. It's like, fuck yeah. Shut it off. I was like, let's try it again, you know? Crank it again. Fucking. Like, what the fuck was that? Here, the main shaft on the starter, brand new starter, pretty much exploded. The gears were fucking all over the place. And, so, yeah, take all the intake and everything off again. Get another starter. Put her in. This was 2 months ago. And look at where I'm at again. I must be buying some shit starters. Or something. Because how the fuckers ain't cheap. Oh my god. And they gotta make it fucking 30 inches long too. It's like, come on, dudes. Alright, that one's out. She's donesy. Let's get this one out. Grab my old leverage bar. Shit balls. Jesus. I must have put that thing on tight. Where's the dumbass to put this bolt on? Oh my god. Jesus. Straggling the fucking cart. Ah, yeah, I gotta love it. You know what? You dipshit, I'm fucking tightening it. Holy fuck. Right? Yeah, I was tightening that sumbitch nice and tight. What a dipshit. Have another one, man. Holy balls. Where are we on that one, dipshit? Now I can't even get my trusty leverage in there since I got it so fucking tight. Jesus balls. There we go. It helps if you go the right way. Oh, shit. I wonder what kind of surprises we're going to find out this starter now. Fucking thing explode. Alright, boys. Well, that's pretty much it. Piece of cake, right? Go out and buy yourself a Beamer. It's good times, man. Good times. Good times. Oh, I had to glue that son of a bitch because that thing broke. But anywho, yeah. Oh, my back. My neck. My back and my neck. Oh, shit. Alright. There she is, boys. You starter. Not that damn old. But yeah, maybe I'll make a video of putting this shithole back together. So, yeah. If you got some easier ways to do some shit, throw me a comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, peace.